Sony just dropped the Xperia X8, and it's packing some serious surprises. Let's break it all down.
Features, specs, price, release date, everything you need to know in the next 5 minutes. First, the design. Sony keeps its iconic tall, slim form factor that nobody else dares to copy. That premium matte finish doesn't just look good, it feels incredible in the hand.
It's lightweight and slim enough for genuine one-handed use, rare in 2026. Scrolling is fluid and typing is precise. The wider model struggles ergonomically, a standout design for daily convenience.
And it's IP rated for water and dust resistance, so rain, spills, life, no problem. Let's see it in action. Perfectly fine. No problem at all.
Now the display, a 6.1-inch OLED panel with full HD plus resolution.
That 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio means movies fill the entire screen, exactly as directors intended.
Blacks are deep, colors pop. OLED delivers an immersive viewing experience every single time. The tall screen is also a multitasking dream. Run 2 apps side by side with room to breathe. You can scroll through YouTube here, while keeping up with Twitter here.
Under the hood, a capable mid-range processor that handles your daily driver tasks without breaking a sweat.
Sony runs near-stock Android, zero bloatware, zero slowdowns. Just clean, fast Android the way it should be. It's not a gaming beast, but light to moderate gaming runs just fine. No complaints for everyday players. Camera time. The Xperia X VIII packs a triple camera setup, main, ultra-wide and telephoto. In daylight, shots are sharp with natural, true-to-life colors. Sony doesn't overprocess. What you see is what you get. The ultra-wide lens is excellent for landscapes and group shots. Wide, detailed, and clean. It captures wide, detailed environments with clarity. And zooming in maintains impressive detail. Low light is decent, not the best in this segment, but respectable. Realism over hype always. The grain is present, but details hold up well against the noise. An honest, grounded result.
The telephoto lens gives you useful zoom without destroying image quality. Great for events and travel.
Battery life, Sony puts in a 5,000 mAh cell. That is a full day of heavy use, guaranteed.
Browsing, streaming, social media, calls, hit the pillow with battery still left. This phone goes the distance.
Sony's battery care tech also protects long-term health, so your battery stays strong years down the line.
The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is perfectly placed, natural, fast, and satisfying every single time.
5G is on board, fast downloads, smooth streaming, and future-ready connectivity built right in.
Audio quality is a Sony specialty. Rich, clear sound whether you're on speakers or wired headphones. Let me show you with these wired headphones. The clarity and depths are outstanding.
For media lovers, Sony adds exclusive enhancements. This phone is built for people who actually consume content.
Here's a quick specs rundown, everything packed into one slim, elegant package. 6.1-inch OLED, f/2.1.9 for Sinus. 1 BAS battery, 5 display inside fingerprint for security. Pricing lands in the mid-range segment, competitive for what Sony is offering here. Value is real. The Xperia X VIII is set to launch in 2026. Check the description below for exact regional availability. It features a triple camera setup, 5G connectivity, and a large battery, positioning it as a strong mid-range contender.
Sony Xperia X VIII, understated, reliable, and built different. Drop your questions below. See you in the next one.